are going to see how to enable Active Directory Recycle Bin. So we do have domain called contoso.com. If in case, so what is Active Directory Recycle Bin? So whenever if someone or somebody deletes the accounts from the Active Directory accidentally or mistakenly, you can recover, but you just need to use ldp.exe. That's a bit tricky thing to recover the AD objects, or you can use a system state backup to recover the deleted objects. But from Windows Server 2008 R2, Microsoft have added feature called Active Directory Recycle Bin. So Active Directory Recycle Bin will help you to recover the deleted AD objects. So Active Directory Recycle Bin keeps the deleted AD objects based on tombstone lifetime. So I do have tombstone lifetime is 60 days. So my deleted items will be there in recycle bin for 60 days. So for an example, if I delete this Asia user and Asia user 2, so both of them have been deleted. Now I want to recover them. So I will not be able to recover them because I don't have backup at this moment. If you have a system state backup, you can recover those deleted AD users from DSRM mode. But if you enable Active Directory Recycle Bin in your domain, then you can restore the deleted objects immediately. So where you can find that option or feature? You just need to open your server manager, click on tools, and after that you will find that Active Directory Administrative Center. Once you click on Active Directory Administrative Center, you will find your domain name. Just click on domain name, and at the right side pane you can see enable recycle bin. In my domain it is not enabled, that's why I need to use system state backup to restore. But here if I enable this feature, it will help me to restore the AD objects immediately whenever gets deleted. Okay, so I'm going to click on enable recycle bin. It will prompt you to confirm if you want to, are you sure to enable recycle bin feature. Once I click on OK, you can't disable this feature. Okay, so there won't be any impact. This is a feature only which we are enabling in our infra. Click on OK. So it is showing me, please refresh AD Administrative Center now. ADDS has begun enabling recycle bin for this forest. The recycle bin will not function reliably until all domain controllers in the forest have replicated the recycle bin configuration change. So you need to make sure all the domain controllers are replicating with each other and healthy. Okay, so once you click on OK, you just need to click on refresh. So you will be able to see here this enable recycle bin feature is grayed out now. That means you have enabled this feature, and you can see here one more container called deleted objects. Once you double click here, you will not be able to find anything here because before enabling this feature we had deleted those two accounts. Now let's try this again. I do have some users in Europe OU. If I right click, select these two and click on delete, these accounts will delete, right? So if I want those accounts to be restored back, I just need to go to the Active Directory Recycle bin. Open Server Manager console, click on Tools, click on Active Directory Recycle, Active Directory Administrative Center. Once this console is open, you just need to click on deleted objects. So see, you will be able to see the deleted items here. You just need to click on the select single user, or you can select multiple accounts which you want to restore. Select restore, Once you click on restore, these objects will get restored to the original OU. Or if you want to restore to any different OU or container, you can just select second option to restore to. I just want to restore it back to the original location. Once I clicked on restore, so those deleted items will be recovered. So you just go back to the Active Directory Recycle bin and simply just click on refresh. So items will be, objects will be there. So see, membership also will be intact. Okay, so this is how you can enable Active Directory Recycle bin. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.